Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of Google Workspace integrations, specifically tailored for nonprofits. As organizations working for a cause, nonprofits need to maximize efficiency and collaboration. Google Workspace is already a powerful suite, but when you add the right integrations, it becomes a true game changer. In this video, we'll explore the top integrations that can help your nonprofit streamline operations, improve communication, and make a bigger impact. Let's get started by understanding why integrations matter and how they can transform your daily workflow. Integrations are essential because they connect your favorite tools directly to Google Workspace, allowing for seamless data flow and reducing manual work. For nonprofits, this means more time spent on your mission and less on administrative tasks. Imagine automatically syncing donor data, scheduling volunteers, or tracking project progress without switching between apps. Integrations help centralize your information, improve accuracy, and foster better teamwork. Now, let's look at some categories of integrations that can make a real difference for your nonprofit. Effective communication is at the heart of every successful nonprofit. Integrations like Slack and Zoom can be connected to Google Workspace, making it easy to schedule meetings, share files, and keep everyone in the loop. With Slack, you can receive Google Calendar reminders or share Google Drive documents directly in your channels. Zoom integration allows you to create and join meetings right from Google Calendar. These tools ensure that your team stays connected, whether working remotely or in the office. Managing projects efficiently is crucial for nonprofits juggling multiple initiatives. Tools like Asana, Trello, and Monday.com integrate smoothly with Google Workspace. You can create tasks from emails, attach Google Drive files to projects, and get notifications in Google Chat. These integrations help teams stay organized, track progress, and ensure deadlines are met. By connecting your project management tools to Google Workspace, you eliminate silos and foster a more collaborative environment. Fundraising is the lifeblood of most nonprofits. Integrations with platforms like Salesforce, Bloomerang, and Kindful allow you to sync donor information, track donations, and automate thank you emails. By connecting these tools to Google Sheets or Gmail, you can easily generate reports, send personalized messages, and keep your donor database up to date. This not only saves time, but also helps build stronger relationships with your supporters. Coordinating volunteers can be a complex task, but integrations like SignUpGenius and Volunteer Local make it much easier. These tools can be linked with Google Calendar and Gmail, allowing volunteers to sign up for shifts, receive automatic reminders, and even check their schedules online. By integrating volunteer management tools with Google Workspace, you ensure everyone is on the same page and reduce the risk of scheduling conflicts. Nonprofits often deal with a large number of documents, from grant applications to reports. Integrations like DocuSign and HelloSign allow you to send, sign, and store documents securely within Google Drive. These tools streamline the approval process and ensure that important paperwork is always accessible. With e-signature integrations, you can move faster and reduce the hassle of printing, scanning, or mailing documents. Staying in touch with your supporters is vital. Integrations with platforms like MailChimp and Constant Contact make it easy to manage email campaigns directly from Google Workspace. You can import contact lists from Google Sheets, track campaign performance, and automate follow-ups. These integrations help you reach your audience more effectively and keep your community engaged with your mission. Hosting events is a big part of nonprofit work. Integrations with Eventbrite and Cvent allow you to manage registrations, send invitations, and track attendance, all from Google Calendar and Gmail. You can also sync event data with Google Sheets for easy reporting. These tools help you organize successful events and ensure that every detail is covered, from invitations to thank you notes. Data security and accessibility are crucial for nonprofits. Integrations with tools like Dropbox and Box allow you to back up important files and collaborate securely. You can sync these platforms with Google Drive, ensuring that your documents are always safe and accessible from anywhere. This added layer of protection helps prevent data loss and supports remote work. Managing finances is a top priority for nonprofits. Integrations with QuickBooks and Xero allow you to sync financial data with Google Sheets, automate expense tracking, and generate reports. These tools help you maintain transparency, comply with regulations, and make informed decisions. By connecting your accounting software to Google Workspace, you simplify bookkeeping and free up time for your mission. A good CRM system is essential for managing relationships with donors, volunteers, and partners. Integrations with Salesforce, HubSpot, or Zoho CRM allow you to sync contacts, track interactions, and automate follow-ups. By connecting your CRM to Google Workspace, you ensure that your team always has up-to-date information and can provide personalized outreach to your supporters. Collecting feedback and data is easy with Google Forms, but you can take it further by integrating with tools like SurveyMonkey or Typeform. These integrations allow you to automate survey distribution, analyze responses in Google Sheets, and trigger follow-up emails. This makes it simple to gather insights from your community and improve your programs. Automation can save your nonprofit countless hours. Tools like Zapier and Automate.io connect Google Workspace with hundreds of other apps, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can automatically add new donors to your CRM, send reminders to volunteers, or update spreadsheets when forms are submitted. Automation ensures nothing falls through the cracks and lets your team focus on what matters most. Scheduling meetings and events is a breeze with integrations like Calendly and Doodle. These tools sync with Google Calendar, allowing supporters or team members to book time slots without endless email chains. You can set your availability, send automatic reminders, and avoid double booking. This makes organizing meetings efficient and hassle-free for everyone involved. Keeping track of tasks is vital for nonprofit teams. Integrations with Todoist, Google Tasks, or ClickUp allow you to create, assign, and monitor tasks directly from Gmail or Google Calendar. You can set deadlines, receive notifications, and ensure accountability. These tools help your team stay organized and focused on priorities. Understanding how your team spends time is important for reporting and efficiency. Integrations with tools like Harvest or Toggle allow you to track time spent on projects directly from Google Calendar or Gmail. You can generate timesheets, analyze productivity, and ensure resources are allocated effectively. This is especially useful for grant reporting and project management. Nonprofits often receive documents in various formats. Integrations with tools like PDF Filler or Cloud Convert allow you to convert files directly within Google Drive. Whether you need to turn a PDF into a Word document or merge files, these integrations save time and ensure compatibility across your team. Protecting sensitive data is a must for nonprofits. Integrations with tools like BetterCloud or Virtru add extra layers of security to Google Workspace. You can encrypt emails, control file sharing, and monitor access to sensitive documents. These integrations help you comply with regulations and keep your organization's data safe. Engaging your audience on social media is easier with integrations like Hootsuite or Buffer. You can schedule posts, track engagement, and analyze performance, all while syncing content from Google Drive. These tools help you maintain a consistent online presence and amplify your nonprofit's message. Having a strong online presence is essential. Integrations with website builders like Wix or Squarespace and form tools like JotForm allow you to embed Google Forms, sync data to Sheets, and automate responses. This makes it easy to collect information from your website and keep everything organized in Google Workspace. While Google Meet is built in, integrating with Zoom or Microsoft Teams can provide additional features. You can schedule meetings from Google Calendar, record sessions, and share files seamlessly. These integrations ensure your team can connect with partners, donors, and volunteers, no matter what platform they prefer. Serving diverse communities means making your content accessible. Integrations with Google Translate or accessibility tools like Grackle Docs help you translate documents and ensure they meet accessibility standards. This makes your nonprofit more inclusive and broadens your reach. Centralizing knowledge is key for onboarding and training. Integrations with tools like Confluence or Notion allow you to build internal wikis, link Google Docs, and organize resources. This helps new team members get up to speed quickly and ensures everyone has access to the latest information. Providing support to your community or team is easier with integrations like Zendesk or Freshdesk. You can manage support tickets, automate responses, and sync data with Google Sheets. This ensures timely support and helps you track common issues for continuous improvement. Many nonprofit staff and volunteers work on the go. Integrations with mobile apps like Google Keep, Drive, and Calendar ensure that everyone can access important information from their smartphones. This flexibility supports fieldwork and remote collaboration, making your team more agile. Applying for and managing grants is a major task for nonprofits. Integrations with tools like Flux or Foundant allow you to track applications, deadlines, and reporting requirements. You can sync grant data with Google Sheets and set reminders in Google Calendar, ensuring you never miss an important date. Getting approvals quickly is important for nonprofit operations. Integrations with DocuSign, HelloSign, or Adobe Sign allow you to send documents for signature and track their status directly from Google Drive. This speeds up decision-making and keeps your projects moving forward. Turning data into insights is easier with integrations like Google Data Studio or Tableau. You can connect Google Sheets to these platforms and create interactive dashboards. This helps you monitor key metrics, share results with stakeholders, and make data-driven decisions. Training staff and volunteers is easier with integrations like Moodle or Canvas. You can link course materials from Google Drive, track progress, and automate notifications. This ensures everyone has access to the resources they need and supports ongoing learning within your organization. Keeping your team connected is easy with integrations like Slack or Microsoft Teams. You can share Google Drive files, schedule meetings, and automate updates. These platforms foster collaboration and ensure that everyone is informed and engaged. Security is paramount, and password management tools like LastPass or 1Password integrate with Google Workspace to help your team manage credentials safely. You can share access securely, enforce strong password policies, and reduce the risk of breaches. Tracking expenses is easier with integrations like Expensify or Receipt Bank. You can upload receipts, automate expense reports, and sync data with Google Sheets. This streamlines reimbursement and helps you keep a close eye on your budget. Digitizing paperwork is simple with integrations like Adobe Scan or CamScanner. You can scan documents directly to Google Drive, making them searchable and shareable. This reduces clutter and ensures important information is always at your fingertips. Remote work is here to stay, and integrations with tools like Miro or Mural allow your team to brainstorm and collaborate visually. You can embed boards in Google Docs or share them via Google Drive, making remote meetings more interactive and productive. Getting feedback is crucial for improvement. Integrations with Poll Everywhere or Slido allow you to create live polls and surveys during meetings. Results can be shared instantly in Google Slides or Sheets, making it easy to gather opinions and make decisions on the spot. Managing your website content is easier with integrations like WordPress or Drupal. You can sync blog drafts from Google Docs, schedule posts, and collaborate with your team. This ensures your website stays fresh and up to date with minimal effort. Accepting donations online is essential. Integrations with Stripe, PayPal, or Give Lively allow you to process payments and sync donor data with Google Sheets. This makes tracking donations and generating receipts quick and easy for your team. Hiring and managing staff is easier with integrations like Bamboo HR or Workable. You can track applicants, schedule interviews, and sync HR data with Google Sheets. This streamlines recruitment and helps you build a strong team for your nonprofit. Gathering feedback from your team is simple with integrations like Google Forms or SurveyMonkey. You can automate survey distribution, analyze results in Google Sheets, and use insights to improve your organization's culture and processes. Understanding your impact is key. Integrations with Google Analytics or Hotjar allow you to track website performance, user engagement, and campaign effectiveness. You can sync data with Google Sheets for custom reporting and share insights with your team. Google Workspace Marketplace is a treasure trove of integrations. Here, you can discover new tools, read reviews, and install apps that fit your nonprofit's needs. Exploring the marketplace regularly ensures you stay updated with the latest solutions to boost your productivity. To get the most out of integrations, it's important to choose tools that align with your nonprofit's goals and workflows. Regularly review your integrations, train your team, and ensure data privacy. By following best practices, you can maximize the benefits and avoid common pitfalls. Technology is constantly evolving, and so are the integrations available for Google Workspace. Staying informed about new tools and trends will help your nonprofit stay ahead. Embracing innovation ensures you can adapt to changing needs and continue making a positive impact. In summary, integrating the right tools with Google Workspace can transform how your nonprofit operates. From communication and fundraising to project management and security, these integrations help you work smarter and achieve more. Take time to explore the options, experiment with what works best for your team, and keep evolving your tech stack. Thanks for listening, and here's to your nonprofit's continued success.